Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a chatbot in HubSpot in just a few simple steps. First, click Service in the left sidebar to open the Service menu. Then click Chat Flows from that menu to open the Chat Flows page, where you can manage all your chatbots. Click the Create Chat Flow button at the top right to start building a new chatbot, and the Setup wizard opens. On the Set Chat Flow Details page, you'll see options to choose which inbox the chatbot connects to and which language it'll use. Click the English language dropdown to see all available languages. For this example, I'm keeping it as English. Click Next to move to the Chat Flow Type Selection page, where you can choose what kind of bot to build. The page shows several bot types including website chat, meetings booking, and knowledge base. Click Next to continue. The Enable Knowledge Base page appears, letting you connect your chatbot to a knowledge base for automated answers. Click Create to build the chatbot, and the main chat flow editor opens with a visual builder on the left and a live preview panel on the right. Click the Preview button at the top to test how your chatbot will look and behave to visitors on your site. The preview window opens in full screen, showing exactly how the chat widget appears on your website. Then click Close to return to the editor. Finally, click the Options tab to configure settings like where the chatbot appears, when it triggers, and how it looks. If you want to customize the welcome message or add conversation paths, use the Build tab in the editor to drag and drop new actions and responses. To control where your chatbot appears, go to the Target tab and set rules based on specific pages or visitor behavior. You can turn the chatbot on or off at any time without deleting it by using the toggle in the top right corner of the editor. And that's how to create a chatbot in HubSpot. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.